How does Monitor G5 work exactly? Let's put it this way. Monitor makes sure the right information is delivered to the right people at the right time. In reality, this has a massive impact on Lee's company. Instead of hiring more staff and buying more machines to be able to grow, Lee can now use the existing setup in a much more efficient way. In fact, he can even cut staff costs and still improve productivity and overall efficiency just by implementing Monitor G5 at his factory. But Monitor isn't just an ERP system. When you buy Monitor G5, you also buy an advantage, a unique insight into the manufacturing business. Monitor's consultants don't just take your existing workflow and plaster on a system to match it. They'll contribute their extensive expertise and know-how from the manufacturing industry to help streamline your workflow so you and your company can become much more efficient. With fewer errors and faster production times, Lee can also cut inventory costs and shorten delivery times, which of course means more satisfied customers. Now the money is pouring in and Lee, well, he's a happy chappy once again.